Let's review lines of latitude and lines of longitude. Remember, lines of latitude have a nickname. They're often called parallels because parallel lines never ever touch. They are side by side. Notice the lines at the top of the globe are smaller circles than the lines in the middle of the globe. Although they run around the Earth from east to west, they measure how far distance is from the equator going north and from the equator going south. So they run east to west, but they measure north to south. Remember, they never touch. Some are short and some are long. Now the lines of latitude are different. These have a nickname also. They're called meridians. These are always long. Look at the North Pole. They all gather at the North Pole, go around the Earth to the bottom, and then they gather again at the South Pole. All of these lines are long. They're all the same length, and they all start at the North Pole and gather and stop together at the South Pole. They go around the Earth and measure around the Earth from east to west, but they run from north to south. So they're measuring the distance from the prime meridian to the east and from the prime meridian to the south. Look at the equator. The equator is a special line of latitude. This one is 0 degrees, and it is the centermost line of latitude around the Earth. It's an imaginary line that we pretend cuts the Earth in half. The top half is the northern hemisphere, and the bottom half is the southern hemisphere. The prime meridian is just like the equator, going all the way around, but it is going up and down. It's an imaginary line that has a measurement of 0, but it cuts the Earth in half with a western hemisphere and an eastern hemisphere. They do exactly the same thing as far as measurement. They are the start spot for each direction. The compass rose shows us which way is north, south, east, and west. The cardinal directions, those are the main ones, the ones that we say north, south, east, and west. And intermediate means middle. These are the ones in the middle between north and south, east and west. Look at northeast and northwest. They're both on the top section close to north. Southwest and southeast are on the bottom section close to south.